Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, approaching the days now is the Zakpeto of Aflao in the Ketu South District.
Zangbetocho Aflao, Zangbetocho Aflao, Ketu South. Vota pa Akbohono.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, ending this session is the powerful Zakpeto from Aflao in the Ketu South District of the Volta region. They are also known as the Group of Miracles. It is a traditional belief that whatever you ask through the chief priest, the Zakpeto can deliver. You just have to believe. The Zakpeto originated among the Ewes at the southern sector through Togo and Benin. In the olden days, they believed the gods protected them, especially at night. It is believed that the movements we are seeing are created by ghosts of our ancestors.
Your Excellencies, please be advised that there is no individual, no human being beneath what you see. Beautiful display of culture and tradition of the people of the Volta region has nothing, absolutely nothing to do with voodoo. Pure culture and tradition of the people of the Volta region on display.
This is Zakpeto. The chief priest is 43-year-old Agbano Abezo, leading his 15-man contingent. In fact, the youngest among them is an 8-year-old boy. This is the power of the Volta.
Mianyi bana fiao, mianyi bana mi. Fiao mamao, mianyi bana mi. Zakpeto to Aflao, Ketu South.
Thank you very much, Zakpeto. Thank you very much. Akpe.
Togbi fiti ajonkaka atolia. Togbi mienye banami.
Try and visit Volta. Everything is now turned into sweets. Akpe.
Miada kwenami, miato, miada kwenami. Miada kwenami, miada kwenami. Miada kwenami, Zakpeto, mienyi banami. Akwenami. Tokyo mienyi banami.
Agbono Abezo, thank you very much. Akpe.
Your Excellencies, distinguished invited guests, Ladies and gentlemen, this marks the end of the march past. This marks the end of the march past by some selected schools within the whole municipality and the Adonko district. Some selected groups and now our veterans. Shall we give all of them another round of applause for that wonderful performance?
Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we shall have a choral music by students from Mauli School and Mafi Kumasi Senior High Technical School. Shall we please give them a round of applause? Mauli School and Mafi Kumasi Senior High Technical School will be giving us choral music. The title of the first song is Ghana Long. Ghana Long. And it was composed by Mr. Victor Nicholas Agbenu. The